Is your Audi Q5 alarm constantly going off? The most frequent culprits are the Siren battery, interior motion sensor, and hood switch. First, try resetting the system by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Then reconnect and test. For the Siren, check the battery voltage. If it's below 9 volts, consider replacing it, possibly with an aftermarket lithium-ion option for longer life. Clean the interior motion sensor with compressed air to remove dust. Ensure the hood switch wiring isn't corroded and that the switch moves freely. Remember, most issues, 80%, are software related. A VCDS tool can recalibrate the sensors to prevent false positives. Dealership visits may still be necessary for hardware replacements. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider over-the-air software updates from Audi. These updates can address sensitivity issues and reduce false triggers. For corroded hood switches, lubricate the switch and apply dielectric grease to prevent future problems. This simple maintenance can save costly repairs. Be aware that extreme temperatures can drain the Siren battery faster. In hot weather, the battery may need replacement more frequently than normal. The future points to smart security systems using AI for anomaly detection and wireless sensors to reduce wiring faults. These advancements will make alarms more reliable and less prone to errors. When doing DIY repairs, be careful to avoid voiding your warranty. Always consult a professional for electrical work if you're unsure, and check Audi forums for user-reported fixes specific to your model year.